Here Amber has already connected to her integration using her personal account. Marker.io uses her account as the main integration account to report all website feedback into her internal tools. Amber wants to change this and instead have a dedicated account for reporting all feedback. Let's walk through how to achieve this using Jira as an example. Let's first set up the new user. Navigate to Settings, User Management. Here Amber uses an alias of her own email using the plus sign to create a new user. Let's click into the user here and ensure that we give them product admin permissions. From their email, let's complete the Jira sign-up process for this user, giving them a name and the password. Ensure that you are logged into Jira with this newly created user to complete the next steps. In Marker.io, let's replace the main integration account with this new user. Go to Settings, Shared Accounts, Connect Account, choose Jira, select Jira Cloud. For host, select the start of the Jira URL, paste it here. For Jira email, we use our newly created user. Then create a new API token, label the token, create it, and copy it into the API field. Now you can connect Jira account. We can assign any project to this new account, select a project, Settings, Integration, and click on Use this account. Now when anybody reports feedback, like for example Connor here, we use the Marker.io bot account to report all feedback and signal within the description field that Connor reported this particular issue.